regionalism generally refers to different forms or manifestation of regional cooperation and integration that exist across the globe. Regionalism ay mayroong form na political, economic, and social goals ng buong bansa. Political regionalism. Ito naman ay nakapokus sa political alignment. So, para makasiguro ang kanilang safety at seguridad. Economic regionalism. Pag sinabing economic regionalism, ay nakapokus ito sa economic cooperation, trade agreements, and creation of common markets. And economic regionalism ay naka-aim ito sa increase ng economic growth, reduce trade barriers, and create unified market. Environmental or ecological regionalism, ito ay nakapokus sa ating kapaligiran at ating kabubatan. In short, ito ay pangangalaga sa ating mga environment. Cultural or identity-based regionalism, ito naman ay emphasize ng kanilang identity, values, language, or kanilang cultural history. In short, ay pangangalaga sa ating mga katutubo.
Number 3, connectivity. Improve infrastructure such as transportation, network and communication systems, and collaboration in delivering public goods further enhance regional integration. This physical and digital connectivity make it easier for people, goods, and information to move across borders and strengthen economics and social ties. Number 2, expanding intra-regional trade and investment. Expansion of trade and investment within the Asian region creates economic interdependence. This means that economics of different Asian nations become increasingly linked, relying on each other for goods, service, and capital. This interdependence incentivizes cooperation and reduces the likelihood of conflict as nations become more reliant on each other's economic success. Kuroda's analysis of the factor driving regional integration in Asia identifies 3 key elements. Number 1, enhanced dialogue. The increasing interaction and communication between citizens of different Asian nations is a crucial factor. This is facilitated by the growth of tourism, allowing people-to-people contact and consistent multilateral meeting among leaders, fostering diplomatic relations and agreement. This improved communication bridge cultural and political gaps, leading to greater understanding and cooperation.
Lewis, in 2017, argued that regionalism reflects a space argument within an overburdened world system. He highlighted that global trends following World War II demonstrate the necessity of regionalism. Nations are increasingly committed to preserving their cultural identities. Until 1966 argues the post-World War power has shifted from the West to groups of nations sharing cultural identities, which the term civilization a key idea. His class civilization hypothesis this trend highlights stronger ties between cultural similar nations. Countries often address regional conflicts through global organizations like the United Nations, fostering peacekeeping, navigation, and regional trade organizations. And additional regional cooperation has grown to achieve political economic goals with Hernandez, 1996, noting that the flexibility and regionalism increased after the Cold War.
The Asian region. The Asian region is typically refers to the continent of Asia, which is the largest and most population continent on Earth. It is home to a diverse range of culture, language, and countries. Asia is often divided into the several subregions, each with unique characteristics. East Asia that include countries such as China, Japan, South Korea, North Korea, Taiwan, and Mongolia, each known for its rich culture, heritage, economic powerhouse, like China and Japan. and the technology advancement. Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia, the region of consist of the countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, the Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and Brunei. It is the characterized by a mix of tropical climates, cultural diversity, and strong economic growth, especially in the countries like Singapore and Thailand. Central Asia, comprising Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan. The region is the landlocked and has rich natural resources, particularly oil and gas. Western Asia, Middle East, include countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Israel, Syria, Jordan, Lebanon, Turkey, and the United Arab. This region is known for its history, scientific case, religious importance, and oil reserves. North Asia primarily refers to Russia, Asia population, which include the Siberian and parts of the Russia part. It is characteristic by vast, sparsely populated areas and harsh climates. South Asia include the countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and the Maldives. The region is known for its largest population, historic civilization, and rapid economic development, particularly in India.